Of JF-17 Thunder will pay tribute to the outgoing Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the horizon. I present to you JF-17 Thunder, the pride of the nation. The formation is led by Wing Commander Shahriyar, and he will perform linear bomb blast over the venue, presenting the final salute to the outgoing Chief of Air Staff. The Chief of Air Staff leadership ensured Pakistan Air Force as frontline organization of national defense and ready to respond to all possible challenges. In this context, Operation Swift Retard entailed Pakistan Air Force among the most respected air forces of the world. It is an acknowledgement to the Air Chief Marshal Mujahid's leadership, his dauntless courage, and unmatched spirit of patriotism. Under his vision, Pakistan Air Force has progressed tremendously on enhancing operational capabilities in all domains of aerial defense for Pakistan. Strategic slogan of reconnect, recollect, and recharge has undoubtedly transformed the thinking process in Pakistan Air Force at all levels. Through the manifestation of this slogan, we connect our past with present and future by carrying out a dispassionate analysis while reinforcing our strengths for future challenges. The journey from indigenous JF-17 Thunder to induction of high-tech platform continues. We stand firm today to defend aerial frontiers of our motherland. A four-ship formation of JF-17 Thunder, led by OC number 26 multi-role squadron, Wing Commander Shahriyar, along with his team. On the left, Squadron Leader Waqas. On the right, Squadron Leader Monim, whereas on the slot is Wing Commander Umar. Without any further delay, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the horizon. I present to you JF-17, the pride of the nation.
Anwar Khan, Nishan-e-Imtiaz and Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military will now decorate the designated Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar, Hilal-e-Imtiaz Military, with the coveted rank of Air Chief Marshal. award of rank badges. Sir, please. Ladies and gentlemen, presentation of Command Sword of Pakistan Air Force.
Well done. Keep it up, Shabash.